Number 17. Okay, we want to simplify this. Obviously, the top is a trinomial, the bottom is a trinomial. So we're like, oh, we need to break it down into the product of two binomials. However, notice that's an n to the third. Every one of them has an n. So before we were going to do that, we're going to factor an n out because everybody up top has an n. And the same happens in the bottom. You are used to seeing an n squared plus so many n's plus a number. You have an n cubed plus an n squared minus 6n. So we need to factor an n out. So I factor out an n. I'm left behind with an n squared plus n times what gives you n squared? An n, and then minus a 6. Down below, I factor out an n. I'm left with n squared plus 8n, and we pulled an n out and we're left with 15. So these in parentheses are more the the trinomials we're used to. We now need to factor the n squared plus 9n minus 6 and the n squared plus 8n plus 15. So what multiplies together to give us 6? 1 and 6, 2 and 3. It is negative 6, so we're having a difference. What has a difference of 1? These guys. I need it to be a plus 1 n, so the plus is going to be on the 3, minus on the 2. So this will simplify to an n. And we said it'll be an n minus 2, n plus 3. All over in the bottom, we have n already, which I could have just gone ahead at the beginning and canceled them out. I could have done it up here and probably should have, but doesn't matter. They're going to cancel out and become ones. Now, we got to concentrate on this n squared plus 8n plus 15. Factors of 15 are 1 and 15, 3 and 5. I need them to give me 8. That's the 3 and the 5. N plus 3, n plus 5. Do you see anybody goes away? Yes, that. And our final answer is n minus 2 over n plus 5. So much easier. I mean, imagine you got to plug in the number 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 plus 5, 15. That took me a second. Imagine if you had to come up here and plug in the number 10. 10 cubed plus 10 squared minus 6 times 10, and then 10 down here. Take forever. So this is our answer, beautifully simplified.